How you guys doing? We got a Hyundai Genesis here. This is the turbo. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the spark plugs and put the new ones in. It's pretty basic stuff. You have an little engine cover right here that's held by 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 of them are 10 millimeter. Once you take that off, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 ignition coils that you have to remove first, and for you to disconnect the harness for the coil, you got this tab right here that you need to push that tab up, and then press on that little clip right here, and it should pull right up. Once you do that, you have a 10 millimeter nut or bolt right here, and then twist the ignition coil left to right and then pull it up. That's also how you replace the ignition coil if you're just replacing the ignition coil. Alright, now to remove the old spark plug, you're gonna need one of these spark plug socket. This one has the magnetic stuff inside, so you can just pull the old spark plug out. Obviously this is already loosened up, so get a ratchet, loosen it up, going counterclockwise, and then twist it all the way out, and it should come right off. This is the old spark plug right here. It's the same process for all 3 of them, or all 4 of them. This is the new spark plug here. This one doesn't require to be gapped. This is already pre-gapped. Put the new spark plug in there. Just hand tight it first. Now, as far as torque, I don't know how much torque this takes, but just make sure you don't put it in way too tight or way too loose. You should be okay. Do it to all the 3, the rest of the 3. Put everything back together. That's it. Pretty basic stuff. I hope this video helps you. If it does, click subscribe. If you got any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.